The Sarang Helicopter team enthralled the audience at Aero India 2015 with spectacular aerobatic stunts. The team has performed at a number of air shows, including in Singapore and the UK, but they always look forward to showing off their prowess in Bengaluru.
It's always been our dream to come to Bangalore and perform for our hometown.
The inverted wine glass formation, the diamond formation, the crossover break and arrow are some of the stunts the Sarang team performs while flying their Dhruv helicopters. They do these at a height of 150 to 500 feet above ground level.
The aviation itself is risk prone. Flying in close formation to each other requires its own skill sets, I would say, and those can only be overcome by dedicated practice as well as being professional in your approach.
The Sarang team comprises 14 pilots, 5 engineering officers and 132 technicians. To put on a 12-minute display, besides rigorous training, they practice for 40 to 50 hours.
So now the degree of difficulty varies. Like today the winds are picked up, sometimes you have birds, and adjusting to the maneuvering of the other aircraft itself. But then it all comes down to training.
The Sarang aerobatics team now has a woman pilot who aims to perform the daredevil stunts her male colleagues do routinely.
Never ever so far I have felt scared of fear of height. Otherwise, if you ask me to climb upon a building, definitely I'll be scared. But while flying a helicopter, I've never felt that.
We hope that after seeing the display, someday some kid decides to join the Indian Air Force.